Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. And today we're making kale chips. So this is a great way to get your greens in and utilize any kale that you might have sitting in your refrigerator that you haven't used yet. So I have 8 cups of kale in my mixing bowl and it has been destemmed. So I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, get this in here, a teaspoon of black pepper, and depending on how much you like black pepper, you might want to cut that out, but I really like it. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This will help give your kale chips like a cheesy flavor, but also nutritional yeast is great for your vitamin B12. So it's great for anyone who's plant-based who needs those B vitamins. And now I'm drizzling a 1/4 cup of olive oil on there. So 1/4 cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Now I'm just going to mix this in really well and kind of massage my kale. And then all I'm going to do is put this, once this is really well combined, I'm going to put this on a baking sheet and bake it in the oven for just about 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, so now I'm going to spread the kale out onto a baking sheet. You can see it's really well coated. Spread this out evenly. And then just like this, you'll put this in the oven and bake for 12 minutes at 350 degrees. And then we're going to toss them and kind of turn them and bake for an additional 4 minutes until they're perfectly crispy. Okay, so after I baked for 12 minutes, then I flipped these around and did 4 additional minutes. And now I have these really crispy, wonderful kale chips. You can store these in a to-go container, keep them at home for several days, or you can eat them all in one sitting if you're like me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you next time.